Everyone, welcome to our first class on calculus, and we'll be going straight into standard derivatives because this is an advanced class. An introductory class to calculus has been given to us in the background of our O level. So we're going straight into standard derivatives of calculus. But before we go, please pause the video. If you have not subscribed, just go to the subscription and press subscribe and click the notification button because more and more content will be coming out as quick as possible. So first of all, we talk about standard derivatives. And what are these standard derivatives? Standard derivatives, there are some standard we should follow when solving some kind of problem related to differential calculus. So right here, standard derivative. I'm just going to explain the table. Now, when y, sometimes it's called y, or f of x, or y, or f of x. Then here is when you differentiate it, right? It's either dy over dx or f prime of x. When you know those two things down, what life become easy. All right, so first of all, the first thing you should understand is that a constant multiplied by a function multiplied by a variable, raised to power n, the derivative of this becomes this n will step down, we now have n multiplied by the constant a, then the variable, now this n will be reduced by 1, right? So when y is equal to when y is equal to ax raised to power n, the dy dx of that function becomes nax raised to power what? N minus 1. N is the power at which the variable is raised to. Number 2, when talking about some trigonometric function here, what if we have sine x? When y is equal to sine x, the dy dx of sine x, first of all, this a will come out, becomes a, right? Then cos ax. Any complaint? This table is very important because we are going to be using them very carefully. When y is equal to cos ax, when y is equal to cos ax, it's the same thing. The a will step out. We have a minus sign. That's something you should understand. We will have a minus sign. Then this a will step out. Then we have sine. You're getting it now? Ax. Are you getting it now? Alright, so what if we have in the natural logarithm of a constant times x? What you do is that the constant will disappear. And when the constant disappears, then you have 1 over x. So these are the standard derivatives that we will be following in our next class. We'll be following them carefully. Make sure you just write them down. You might not understand them, but when we begin to use them to solve problems, we discover that it becomes more clearer. So this attached to this, this attached to this, this attached to this. And that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching.